All right, here I am at my front door. The camera is up, stationed up against the ceiling on top of the motion detector. I am going to walk and see how far I can get before the blue lights come on and it detects motion. I have walked all the way into the kitchen and it did not detect any motion. I will walk over to the back door. Oops, almost fell. All right, I'm at the side door. So I station the camera so that if someone comes through the side door or attempts to, the motion detector will go off. I'm at the side door, coming into the house. Here I am, sorry for the motion. Standing right in the living room, walking to the front door. No motion detected at all. All right, here I am at the front door, as if I was coming in the door, going up the stairs to the bedroom area, going up to the bedroom area, going up the bedroom area. No motion detected at all. So here it is, the whole first floor. No motion detected. So I'm going to walk towards it. I'm going to walk towards the camera. Here I am, walking towards the camera. And still, no motion. I'm going to wave my hand. I'm waving my hand in front of the camera, and there's no motion. It doesn't go off at all. Not at all. So yeah, this is not the camera you want to get. Just got it today. Here I am up to it, recording, and still no motion detection at all. Thanks.
Get his ass! Oh, you almost had him.